Itua ria bururi wa Amerika ria kurugamia uteithio wa kigina rungu rwa gikundi kia USAID kiria kiahuraga njeki tabarira itiganite cia ugima wa mwiri riatigire mabururi maingi na makiria ma gitaru kia Afrika ndumaini magicurania uria tabarira ici ikwirugamia. Na riu makiria ma mabururi matano ma Afrika ni mokite hamwe kigomano kiria gitabaneirio guku Nairobi itanya inene ari guthugunda njira cia uria marionaga kigina gia kurugamirira sekta ya ugima wa mwiri hatari tabarira igukobofana. Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Mary Muthoni akiuga matanyite kugia no nyitaniri na andu kiumbe na makambuni.
Continue looking into this. The government is equally looking into the internal resource mobilization, and we are also requesting all the other well-wishers that we can come together and be able to fund the critical areas that may have been affected. So there is hope and there is light at the end of the tunnel. We only need to keep being persistent and being inquisitive in our areas and space of operations.
Anyiti itemi matiganite aria mekinyite kigomano-ini giki makiuga maingi ma mabururi maya makoretwo na wanangiki munene wa kigina kuona ni marahurwo njeki na riu ni ihinda merugamia hatari kwihoka uteithio wa kuma na nja.
One of the ways that is most done around the world for universal health coverage is through some kind of taxation system, and I think it is something that we will need to seriously look at as governments across Africa, and something that we have to work with our communities and our populations to really understand the value and the benefit of that. So it all comes down to the accountability question again. If communities feel that the money that they've been taxed on is used wisely and is being used to actually solve the problems in those communities, I think we will see support for that system.
Oho maugite ateithiriria a arigitani matura-ini ni mabati kuheo mathomo makiria niguo mahote guteithiriria muingi na gutigirira mirimu ni yarigiririo na gukurikana tene niguo kugeithia ngarama nene ya urigiti.
Ni kuonekanite ati SHA iri iki ndiigaine kuri maundu mangi maria magithie gwikika. Undu wa mbere ni ta kuhotithia andu mwena wa mapato nigetha andu matigako ni mareremwo matirahota kuona irio cia kuigana. Undu wa kirito kora uri andu miikarire ya andu no kinya ningi okonda mathibitari-ini maitu tukona madagitari maria magirire community health promoters ona bado kumareha mbeca tutikuiganu ni marabatara mathie na mbere na kuheo training nyingi.
Maya mokite riri muingi wa bururi ukoretwo gitetia ukinyaniru wa mubango wa urigitani wa SHA kumana na mihingeri ikoretwo ho. Muthoni akiuga thirikari ni ihothete kugacirithia mubango uyu na gutigirira a Kenya ni maragunika.
We are looking at issues that many people are complaining about and going back and seeing what can we do to make it better. I would ask everybody, let us deal with these issues on specifics. If it is a facility, let's not generalize and say facilities are not offering. Let us know which facility is not offering so that we can deal with them and know how do we assist each other.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.
You guys will correct the numbers.